degrees this morning. Very clear. The lady doing her stretches at IB. No surf. Few surfers. There's the pier. The islands out there. So clear. You can see even the little teeny ones. And we end with the old man on the sea.